This is Jeff.
Hello. Building out Tesla. Gonna make a bed in it. And kitchen, living space. Gonna make all kinds of fun things. And then when I go on my trips on the weekend, I can sleep in my car. Don't have to pay for a hotel.
Yes. And you wanted the frame to be really low.
Oh, low. Yes.
Yeah.
So I have lots of room to sit up in bed.
Yeah, and then we are building the setup based on your induction stove.
Yes.
Yeah, it's about 3 inches height. Do you want to demonstrate?
Just pull out like so.
Yep.
And that'll be the top of everything. So, and then the mattress will come up to there. So this will be the height that I sleep at. So I think that should be good. I hope.
Perfect. We'll find out.
We will. Iron phosphate, so it's the heavy chemistry.
Oh, like the new Model 3s.
Yes. Yeah, so 3,500 charge cycles.
Wow.
Yeah, that's it.
Look at this. Giant. Okay. Let's fit it in the sub trunk.
See how it works? Yeah.
Ooh. Oh, yeah, it fits. You can still put on the cover.
Still access. The cover probably
You'll be good at it.
Yeah. Oh, nice. There you go.
Sweet. Nice and flat.
Nice and flat. It's perfect. Yeah. Little dogs. It's like having 100 dogs.
What do you call them?
I just go, hey, babies.
Hello. You guys want some veggie? Will they jump?
They could, but I doubt it. They'll probably just...
Okay, I'll drop it. Okay, this one is missing out. She's outside.
Yeah.
Good? Yep. What's the